Hello everyone, welcome back. We've got another episode of Seany's Ultimate Reviews today. Today I'm going to review an item that I've had for a while and an item I just bought. The item I just bought was a bed base for the Koala Plus Mattress. The mattress itself I bought about 3 or 4 months ago and I didn't want to review it straight away. Why review a mattress when you haven't even slept on it? Just doesn't make sense. Anyway, I've got the Balmain Koala Bed Base. And yeah, it was on special, 30% off, $805. And it comes in 3 pieces and they delivered it. It was like 80 odd dollars delivery, but it was worth it. 2 guys brought it into the garage. Pretty much that's what you get. You get 3 pieces. That's also with the bed head. You can get this bed base without the bed head, but it doesn't make any sense to me. All right, next time you'll see me, I'll be in my bedroom and we'll have this in pieces and I'll show you what you get. Okay, we've got our 3 boxes in my bedroom. I've stripped them. I thought I'd need screws, everything for this thing. This thing is the most easiest flat pack I've ever seen. Like, so basic. Like, I was surprised. But anyway, let's show you what we get. All right, you got 4 of these sections. They're like the base of the bed. That's what you actually sleep on. You got the 2 sides of the bed. That steel bit there I nearly slipped over on. That steel piece is the center rail. You got the rear of the bed. Then you got the bed head, which is the front of the bed. And you got over here some extra pads there to put under your legs. And 4 legs, that's it. And that's how simple it is. It all just slides in, there's no screws. Everything just slides into place. It is so easy, like anyone can put this together. It is basic. And yeah, I wasn't going to film myself putting it together because I thought it was going to be a boring process. But what I'll do, I'll leave the camera on and I'll just film the whole sequence of me putting it together. How easy is that, man? So, all right. Yeah, you might see my dog. My dog is getting in the road. She wants to investigate everything. That's Daisy. You've seen her in other videos. Checking if there's a bomb. Any bombs, Daisy? Any bombs? Any bombs? Check. Any bombs? Is it all good? All good, is it, Daisy? All right, she gives it the okay, so we're good to put it together. I'm gonna start off with the legs, 4 legs. All right, that's it. That's together. That is finished. What's the time on the clock? How many minutes?
15, 14.
All right, so it's taken us 15 minutes, and that's with me putting these sides on the wrong way. So I probably wasted, and to fix that took 2 minutes. So if I didn't stuff up that, it would have been 13 minutes. 15 minutes, and far out, man, that is solid. That is pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. Just putting it together, the strength of it and everything, out of 10, I'd give it, how easy it is to put together, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Such a good unit so far. And it looks solid and it's nice looking. Basic, but nice. This is what I wanted. All right, I'll chuck the mattress on. We'll come back in a minute. We've got the Koala Plus mattress. That mattress, you can change it from firm or medium firm. Second lowest one that you can buy, they normally retail around $1,000 to $1,200. We got ours for $900 from Costco on special. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. I'll show you. This mattress is the Koala Plus. As I said before, it's the second model up from the lowest, so it's a mid-range model. And the good thing about this one, you don't get it on the first one. You can unzip this from, it's up the other end at the moment, but you can unzip that and you can turn it around to make it a little bit more firmer. I've got it on firm medium, or you can have it on like hard firm. And it's even, when you take it off, it's got written on it what it is. And I've got it on medium firm because this bed was very hard when I got it. So when I first got it, when you first roll it out, they say you got to let it sit there for a couple of days because it comes in a roll. And once it expands, it's got to get into place. So I did all that, left it to roll out. Then I slept on it. And I'll be honest, I hated it. I could not stand this mattress at first. And I rang them up and I said, look, you know, this is really hard. And they said, if you bought it from Koala, we'll send out a mattress topper for you, free of charge. And they've done it with a lot of people. So if it's too firm, and buy it from Koala, because I bought it from Costco, they didn't send out the mattress topper. But I went out and bought I think they call it a muscle topper or something. It was a really good mattress topper. And that didn't really help either. And they said it takes about 30 days or, you know, even longer sometimes. And I'll be honest, it took me a good couple of months to get used to it. But once I got used to it, oh my God, it is the best mattress ever. Like my old mattress was like just the coil spring ones, and that was very good. Like a real good quality. I got it handmade by a bloke in Thomastown, makes awesome mattress. But I get a sore back a lot, and people were telling me get a Koala, you'll swear by it. And now I could sleep on it without the mattress topper now, and I could not sleep on another mattress. And my dog loves it. Don't you, Daisy? Do you love it? Yeah, thanks for watching the video on my Koala base and the mattress. And yeah, I swear by their products, and so comfortable. Any mattress I buy from now on is going to be a Koala. So thanks again. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.